If you're seeing the Facebook error message, "Something went wrong," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve it fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and the best part is that you can try these steps in just a couple of minutes without needing any advanced skills. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing the page. Just press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a quick reload can bring everything back to normal. After that, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail loading properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working well before trying again. If the page still shows the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, stored files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger all kinds of issues on Facebook. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache data. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Facebook again. Another very useful fix is to try Incognito mode. Open a private browsing window and sign into Facebook there. Incognito mode starts fresh without using your saved cache and extensions in the same way, so if the error disappears there, it usually means the issue is related to your browser data or an extension. That gives you a strong clue about what needs to be fixed next. If one of these steps works, great, you've likely solved the problem. If not, you can repeat the process carefully and make sure each step is done fully. Refresh the page, check your connection, clear the browser cache, and test in Incognito mode. These are the most common and effective fixes for the Facebook "something went wrong" error. I hope this helped you get back into Facebook without the frustration. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.